Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Got something interesting for the channel. My first foreign beard oil. I know, right? Kind of cool. Stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this guy. Alrighty, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro as the camera just went, woo, wow. Hopefully it doesn't screw up too much. For you first-time viewers of the channel who found me, thank you so much. I know beard oils are weird reviews to watch, but here we go. For you long-time viewers who haven't subscribed yet, here's your chance to do it. Man, look down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Please go ahead and, click on that. It'll bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early. You ain't got to do it later, and you will feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Now, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at the Brisk Grooming Company Citrus Beard Oil. That's what grabbed me, is that little box right there. Okay? I mean, there's really nothing else fancy other than that on the box. Now, before I show you the bottle, I will say, this video was inspired by Dan C. Bearden. He's doing a great series over there. So I went out in my local area and said, okay, I already know what's at Walmart, but I have a Rite Aid right down the road. What's in there? And that's where I found Brisk. It's a 1.7 ounce amber bottle with the little eyedropper on the top. What I didn't like is it had that little plastic stuff, like the milk, like milk jugs, where you have to snap the top off. That was a bit of a pain because it kept hanging on. I kept having to pry it. I felt I was going to spill stuff out the side. Now, like I said, this is made in the United Kingdom, but its U.S. distribution is out of New York State. So for some reason, it's shipping from UK to New York, and then it's going countrywide. Okay, whatever. When I did some checking on them, like I usually do with my homework, they say that they are a premium grade product, premium grade quality, yet remarkably affordable beard growing essentials designed for every single style of beard. Now, what I think is funny, hopefully you can see that. They say if you're just scruffy, 1 drop of beard oil. If you have a short beard, 2 to 3 drops. If you have a medium length beard, 3 to 6 drops, or a long beard, 6 to 10. That's great. If you have a longer beard, 6 to 10 drops is really not going to get the oil all over the place on you. All right. I will say, and I agree with them on this, it's a really lightweight oil, and it is very fast absorbing into your skin and into your beard. Now, I love that it's made with natural and essential oils. Okay, so the essential oils are for the fragrance, I get that. But they're keeping it natural, which I like. And they say it's made with sweet almond oil, avocado oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, which is great for your skin, by the way, lemon peel oil, and grapefruit peel oil. Now, this is what killed me. Oh, I'm going to leave a link down below. You can find them at briskgrooming.com, or if you can find it locally, I paid $15 at my Rite Aid. All right? They're not lying about the citrus. They're really, truly not. When I opened this up and smelled it the first time, I'm going to see if it does it again. Yeah. The lemon smacks you in the mouth like a huge thing of lemon pledge. All right? It coats incredible. It really does. But the scent strength doesn't stay around for very long. Hopefully you can see that. It's got a light yellow, basically clear tinge to it. No biggie. It's just the way the carrier oils are and everything else. Okay? It seriously just... It was like putting lemon pledge on my face for about a good 10-15 minutes. Until it timed into, okay, this is kind of cool. This is kind of alright. No way in hell did it remind me of Badass Beard Care's Ladies Man, which has a lot of lemon in it. And speaking of every single beard oil that I've ever done, look up towards the top. I'm going to leave a card for every beard oil I've ever reviewed, every beard product I've ever reviewed. The Badass Beard Care Ladies Man will be in that card. Okay? So when I went to briskgrooming.com, they were very proud to say that they're in Rite Aid, ShopRite, Hy-Vee, Kenny Drugs, and Walmart.com. Okay, well, there was no way to buy this on their website. It even said, hey, let's check out the UK version. So I went to the UK site. Basically, it's an exact copy, but just a different rotation of what stores it's available in. And I'll be honest, I think the UK site had a couple extra products that weren't here on the Colony site. No biggie. You know, like I said, it's not that much. It's seriously undervalued, in my opinion, for a lighter weight beard oil. Basically, I'm paying between 10 and 20 bucks for a 1 ounce bottle. This is 1.7 ounces at 15 bucks. So basically, you're paying 7 bucks an ounce. In case you're curious, yeah, I like this one a little bit better than I did the Blades Grim, how it coats in my hand. And like I said, go check out that card I left you a little bit ago, because it's in there as well. I mean, yeah, I'm going to try to work it more into rotation and see if I like it more. If not, this just may be a giveaway to somebody. I mean, seriously, it just may be. Now, it's easy to use. I mean, if you guys have never used beard oil before, basically the little dropper here makes everything pathetically simple to use. Okay? You basically squeeze in whatever single amount you need, squeeze it right into your hand, rub your hands together. And you got to remember, beard oil is not for the beard, it's for your skin underneath. And you just work it in and work it, especially down here in like the little dead spot area. Because essentially your body can only produce so much oil to help keep hair healthy and beautiful and, you know, wonderful. That beard oil is like a vitamin supplement for your hair. It's the easiest way I can put it. Plus the fact most of them smell really good, so you have this great scent profile going on in your day. And sometimes you never know. It could turn some, you know, wonderful things around. Now, that being said, I don't know what you guys think. You know, have you used Brisk beard oil before? I mean, I'll admit, I'm like, what, Paddington Bear is now a grown-up? You know, right there on the box. I'm just like, what the heck? You know, have you used it before? Do you know anyone who uses it? I mean, I'd love to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, everything right down below, man. Leave them in the comments section. You know I'm going to get back to you, and we're going to have a great little discussion on this guy. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, man, thank you so much for finding this one. It means the world to me that you're watching one of my videos, because I know there's like millions of options out there on YouTube, and I'm flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-time viewers, and you long-time guys who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, here is your second chance at redemption. Down below in the corners, there's going to be one of those corners, all right? It's going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Click on that. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've clicked on subscribe, please click on the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? It's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time my dumbass uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up either on that side of the screen or that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My very quick look at the Brisk Grooming Citrus Beard Oil. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you have an incredible day today.